Over 1.1 million jobs have been lost across the US this year, and that number just keeps on climbing. It's a harsh reminder that what we've always been told, that a 9 to 5 job is a safe path, it's not really true anymore, because the truth is your job can disappear overnight, but your skills, those are yours to keep. So if you've been recently laid off or you're worried your company might be next, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do after a layoff, how to regain control, and how to start earning again using the skills that you already have. And as scary as this season might feel, it could actually be the beginning of something more secure, more flexible, and more freeing than you've ever had before. We haven't met yet. Hey, I'm Shannon, founder of Virtual Career Academy, where I share tips and resources to help you work from home and create freedom all on your own terms. Now, before we jump in, be sure to hit subscribe. I post new videos every single week to help you build your next chapter with confidence. Let's start with step 1, okay? Regaining your balance. Getting laid off can shake your confidence for sure. It can leave you wondering what's next. But even though it might feel personal, it's not. It's business, and it's happening all over the place right now. So first, just take a deep breath. Then it's time to take care of the essentials. First, you want to file for unemployment if you qualify. Next, be sure to review your severance and benefits and write down your monthly expenses so you know exactly what you need to earn to cover your essentials and all of your bills. Once those basics are handled, the panic will start to lift a little bit, and that's when you can shift from reacting to rebuilding. Now, step 2, go ahead and take inventory of your skills, because just because you lost your job doesn't mean you lost your abilities, right? Big companies might be cutting back right now, but small businesses are hiring every single day. They just can't afford full-time employees. That's where freelancers come in. Freelancing simply means helping businesses the same way you've already been doing, but just as an independent contractor instead of an employee. So grab a notebook or open a Google Doc and list out everything that you did at your job. Not your title, but your actual tasks that you performed while you work. So did you handle scheduling and email support? If so, that's admin support. Did you manage clients or answer customer questions? That could be considered virtual assistants. Did you create reports or spreadsheets? That's bookkeeping or analytics. Did you train employees or organize projects? You could be an online business manager. The fact is, you already have marketable skills. Now it's just about offering them directly to the people who need them most. Next is step 3, turning your skills into an offer. So once you've listed out your skills, you want to choose one that you feel confident in and turn it into your first freelance service. So here's what that could look like for you. If you're super organized, offer virtual assistant packages, handling emails, scheduling, and customer service. If you've worked in HR previously, offer hiring help or onboarding support. If you're good with numbers, offer bookkeeping services. If your background is in marketing, start with content writing or social media posting. Here's a pro tip. Look at what other successful freelancers are doing right now. Visit their websites, check their Instagram profiles, browse platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Notice how they describe their services, how they package them, and what they are charging. You're not copying them, but you're studying the market so that you can position yourself competitively and understand what clients are paying for right now. Now, you don't need a complicated plan, just one clear service that helps a business save time or make money. That is your entry point. Now, let's move on to step 4, finding your first client. Now, the good news is you don't need a website, fancy branding, or even a business name to start. When I first started freelancing, I had none of those things, and I still booked clients. Start simple. Reach out to local businesses, your dentist, hair salon, or your favorite boutique, and offer part-time help. Join Facebook or LinkedIn groups for small business owners. You can create a simple Upwork profile and browse open projects, and update your LinkedIn headline to something like freelance virtual assistant, helping small businesses stay organized and on track. If you connect with just a few people every single day, you'll start seeing real opportunities much faster than you think. Now, step 5 is redefining what security means. A 9 to 5 job isn't automatically more secure than working for yourself. When you work for a company, your income depends on their budget and their decisions. When you freelance, your income depends on you. You can have multiple clients, multiple streams of income, and you can never be laid off from your own business. So instead of seeing this layoff as an end, see it as a reset. This is your chance to build something that gives you flexibility, stability, and freedom. Now, if you're ready to get started, I've created a free resource to make this whole process much easier for you. It's called the Freelance Launch Toolkit. Inside, you'll get a step-by-step launch checklist so you know exactly what to do first. You'll get a workbook with 50 in-demand services to help you find the most profitable options for your skill set. It also includes a pricing guide and planning sheet to help you confidently map out your rate, and 30 ways to find clients. These are proven methods to help you start finding freelancing clients quickly. So grab your free copy using the link below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Definitely turn on notifications because I share new videos every single week to help you build income and freedom from home. I'll see you in the next video.